If you need to use two computers with a single monitor, keyboard, and a mouse, a KVM switch makes it easy to switch between multiple PCs without constantly unplugging cables. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect two PCs to one monitor using a KVM switch. Before setting up your KVM switch, make sure, that you have a KVM switch that supports two computers, one monitor, two PCs or laptops, keyboard and mouse, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables depending on your devices. USB cables for connecting peripherals to the KVM. And of course, you need to check that your KVM switch supports your monitor's resolution and refresh rate for the best experience. And then after that, you need to connect your monitor to the KVM switch. Start by connecting your monitor to the video output port on the KVM switch. Depending on your hardware, this may be an HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, VGA, and once connected, power on the monitor. Now, first connect your monitor directly to the output port on the KVM switch. This allows the switch to control which computer's video signal is displayed. And do not forget to connect your keyboard and mouse. Plug your keyboard and mouse into the designated USB ports on the KVM switch. Most KVM switches clearly label these ports as keyboard, mouse, USB peripheral. And then connect your keyboard and mouse to the KVM switch. These peripherals will automatically switch between computers whenever you change outputs. And of course, connect the first PC. Take the video cable from your first computer and connect it to input 1 on the KVM switch. Then connect the accompanying USB cable from the PC to the KVM. This USB connection allows the keyboard and mouse to communicate with the computer. Now connect your first PC using the both video cable and the USB data cable. Both connections are required for full keyboard and mouse functionality. And you need to connect the second PC. You just have to repeat the process for the second computer. Once both systems are connected, the KVM switch will be able to toggle between them instantly. And of course, last is going to be powering on all devices. With all the cables connected, power on the monitor. Okay, so turn on the monitor, KVM switch if externally powered, the PC1 and the PC2, and wait for both systems to fully boot, and both computers, which will give a system a moment to initialize. Now, to move computers, simply press the switch button or use the assigned keyboard shortcut. Your monitor, keyboard, and mouse will immediately transfer to the selected PC. Connecting two PCs to one monitor using a KVM switch is one of the easiest ways to create a cleaner and more efficient workspace. Once configured, you'll be able to switch between computers with the press of a button while using the same monitor, keyboard, and mouse for both systems. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your KVM setup or any questions you may have. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.